Okay, car drawing. Slightly different way of drawing a three-dimensional car here. It's going to be looking at a method of oblique drawing, in fact, where we draw the front view of, the side view of the car, and then we project it to one side. Here I'm going to project it to the left-hand side, so I'm going to call this left-hand oblique drawing. So I'm just going to very simply draw the outline of the car. It could be any car, more detail than this, but this is just a very quick method of showing you how to draw a car in 3D. So, and this could be done using most computer programs, computer drawing programs. Microsoft Paint's a good one. Draw the side view and then just project sideways from key points like this. So I'm just trying to project sideways, and here you can see that we've made a three-dimensional car. It's got height, width, but it's now got depth. And now once you've got that basic shape, you can start detailing it. So if you just spend a minute or two just watching this, and you'll see what I do here. Okay, so I'll just put a couple of headlights in there, some sort of a grille. I'm just doing the wheel now, some holes in the wheel. Might as well black these in to give you an idea of that they are holes in fact. So there we go, those are indicating holes. Could have a wing mirror here. Lots of people, when they draw cars, always tend to forget the wing mirror. Of course, you'll have one at the other side. Am I going to forget that one? Let's just see. Well, we'll come back to that. I'm just making a shadow underneath the car here, and I'll extend that shadow around to the front like this. And again, lots of people tend to forget the shadows. Remember, shadows give the shape. Okay, so back to the rear wheel, I think. Well, let's just, before I do the rear wheel, just look at the windscreen. Yeah, I'm just going to give it some lines to try and indicate reflections and the actual curve of the window. Wherever you get a curve with drawing, you should really not shade it in. It should be a highlight, so it should be left pretty white. And a similar thing here with the waist and around the wheel arch possibly. There should be some areas which are kept light. Anyway, put some more details of the rear wheel in to make it look a bit like the front one. Just shade these in. Maybe put a little disc in the centre of that. Oh no, maybe just leave that. And again, these crease lines to the front. The roof looks a little bit heavy. I'm just maybe going to try and just bring that down. There we go. Just bring it down a touch. Yeah. Okay. So that's not looking bad. Like most car drawing, it's or any drawing full stop really, it's just as well to know when to stop. Anyway, now I'm going to try and put some colour on. So I've got some paints here, and remember to tilt the paper so that the paint would run down the paper. So tilt the paper. I'm just mixing some ready orange I think now, so let's just see what difference that makes. So here we go. So a nice loaded brush. Don't colour it all in, maybe try to indicate that there's reflections here and there by leaving some white paper. So just put this in here. I've got a crease line around the centre there, so I'm going to leave that white. You often get a white area down the side of a car. Just go around there, indicate that like that. A bit more paint on the brush. I'm trying to leave a highlight there to indicate that crease line is raised. Same at this side I think, yeah, just a bit there. Just colour that in, and yeah, straight across the front, I think. Yeah, straight across. So there you are. There's a bit of paint on it, which makes it look a bit more realistic, a bit more finished. Let that dry, and then what we could do is do a bit some more work on the body. But now I'm just going to put a little bit of blue on the wheels to make them look as if they're made of alloy, and also some sort of reflections. And that's more or less it.